In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do transparent Zen Browser. If you've been wanting a cleaner, more minimal look where the browser blends into your desktop or theme, this quick walkthrough will help you switch it on using built-in options. We're going to use the browser's advanced configuration panel, so I'll move slowly and explain what you'll see along the way. Start by opening Zen Browser. Once it's up, go to the address bar at the top and type about config exactly as you hear it, with no spaces. Press enter. This special page gives you access to advanced settings that aren't shown in the regular menus. Because it can change how the browser behaves, Zen will display a warning page. That's normal. Click on Accept the Risk and continue to proceed. You're not editing anything yet. You're just acknowledging that you understand these are advanced options. At the top of the configuration page, you'll see a search field. Click in that field and type the word transparent. Be sure it's spelled correctly so the right entries appear. The goal here is to narrow the list to just the settings related to transparency. After you type transparent, look at the results. You should see exactly 2 items returned. That's the expected number for this transparency tweak. Next, make sure those results are set to true. True simply means the option is enabled. If both entries read true, you're all set from a configuration standpoint. Now it's time to relaunch the browser so the change can take effect. Save anything you're working on, then close Zen Browser completely and open it again. A full restart is important because certain visual preferences only load when the browser starts up. When Zen comes back, you should notice the interface respecting transparency wherever your system or theme supports it. This might include areas like the tab bar or the browser Chrome blending more smoothly with your desktop background. A couple of quick reminders as you verify everything. The About Config page is powerful, so it's best to adjust only the items you came to change and leave unrelated settings alone. If your setup doesn't seem to show much transparency, that can depend on your operating system, window manager, or theme, which control how transparency is rendered. That's it. You opened Zen Browser, visited about.config, accepted the warning, searched for transparent, confirmed there are 2 entries set to true, and then relaunched the browser. Enjoy the cleaner, more transparent look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.